The V75 American Silver Eagle coin. How much did I sell it for? Hey everybody, Stacking Stormtrooper, how you doing? If you're new to the channel, I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and get the bell notification clicked, and that way you get updated with any new content. So here it is, everybody, the V75 American Silver Eagle coin. How much did I sell this for? Well, I'll get to that in just a little bit, but first thing, I just want to say how excited I am that I was able to actually get one of these coins. Now, I had made a video about a year ago talking about this, the Silver Eagles having privies on them, and it was just a what if hypothetical type of video, but lo and behold, here we are 8 months, a year later, and they made a Silver Eagle with a privy. So the reason this coin is so highly sought after is the fact that there was only 75,000 of these Silver Eagles minted. Only, 1,945 of the gold, if I'm not mistaken, or was it 7,500? I forget. I'm getting that one and the metals mixed up. But either way, 75,000 of these were minted. You were only allowed to get one per household. Obviously, some people were able to game the system and get more than one. I'm one of the people that believe good for you, whoever was able to do that. Right on. There's people that are like, that's cheating. Well, you know what? Get with the times, my friend. Try to try to get to the 20th century, 21st century, whatever century we're in here. And, you can't get angry at people who are smart enough and able to get these. So anyhow, good for all of you who are able to get more than the one. So the thing is with this coin, there are a lot of people who are actually collecting it, holding on to it, keeping it raw, ungraded. Others are sending it in for grading, and others are flipping them for profit. And that is what I did. I saw this as an opportunity to quickly get a coin that was really, really hyped up and sell it for a profit as quickly as possible. Now, before I do an unboxing of this V75 American Silver Eagle coin, how much did I sell it for? Let's take a look. And you will have a very good shot of getting a high-graded coin. So I will not be opening it. I will leave it in its packaging, and I will send it to you. What's in the box? So everybody, here we go. We're going to start the bidding at $1 go. $1 go on the V75. Whoever wants it, there it is. The V75. Good luck to all of you. Here is your chance to get it at a really good price. We got 50 for Maple. 100 to Borderland. Great Lakes is at 450. AJ, interesting. You have to become a channel member to bid. We got Lakes at 450. Lakes is at 450. These go for 460 for Silver Trooper. Guys, these are a really hot coin. You all saw the trouble that everybody went through in order to get these. Lots and lots of videos on these. Richard BTC, get out of here with your spamming bullcrap, you sack of garbage. Let me hide you on this channel. I wish I could swear on here. My goodness, I would be giving you a mouthful, you bot piece of crap. All right, and AJ, last warning. Last warning, AJ, you can't be putting in bids there. I don't want to ban you, and somebody already did. Okay, so we got Great Lakes at 465. Great Lakes is at 465. Counting it down to Great Lakes at 465 at 3. Guys, you are getting this. These are going for about $1,000 on eBay graded. The chances of you getting a 69 or a 70 is very high with an unopened box. 475 for Director of Awesome. 470 for Russo, looking to stick people in the garbage can. 500 for DOA, 480 for Russo. We have a brawl underway, a major brawl. 500 for Graham Stacker, 505 for Great Lakes. Guys, I think this might be the first one of these coins being auctioned on a live YouTube auction. 510 for Lyle Peluso. We got 510 for Lyle. Who wants it more? Great Lakes at 525. Great Lakes at 525. Again, a great coin for flipping. Plenty of margin there if you guys are looking to flip it. Also, for those of you that are unfamiliar with this coin, this is the first American silver eagle that was ever minted with a privy mark commemorating this 75-year anniversary end of World War II. And believe it or not, about a year ago, I posted a video talking about privies being on these coins, on silver eagles. How about that? I'm like the Oracle. 550 for Great Lakes, and Lady Bullion is here. Good to see you, Lady B. 550 for Lakes. Who wants this coin more? We're going to count this down. Slow counting. Some of you are thinking about it. 3. JP, what's going on, buddy? Good to see you. Stormy is a privy pumper. 550. 550 on the V75. Counting it down to... and this might be going to Great Lakes. 600 for DOA. JP, we are bidding on the V75. DOA is at 600. We're bidding on the V75 Silver Eagle. It will arrive to me. It's supposed to arrive Monday evening. It will remain in its box. I'll film a video showing the semi-unboxing because I will not open it out of the packaging. And whoever wins it will get it just sent to them in the box unopened. DOA is at 600. DOA at 600. All right. Let's see. All right. Counting it down. 3. $600. Counting it down to DOA at 2. Counting it down to DOA at 1. This might be DOA. And oh my word, guys, Shawshank Galakari is in the house with a $700 snipe. Oh my word. And I'd be doing a snipe action, but for whatever reason, my alerts are popping up right now. But Shawshank is at 700, and he is good for it, my friends. He actually has PayPal'd me. So he already has money lined up. I always want to call him Shawshank Redemption, but I don't know if he knows that movie. Shawshank Redemption at 700. Gonna count it down for the V75. And Shawshank, you're gonna get this unopened if you win it. DOA. Do we hear from DOA? Counting it down 3 to Shawshank. Oh, look at DOA saying, I can own this. Counting it down 2 to Shawshank. He's got it at 700, says Vikings. Nope, I'm out, says DOA. Counting it down 1 to Shawshank Galakari. Typing in sold. Slow S. Oh, this is a big item. L. 725 with the snipe. DOA with the snipe. He said, oh, wait, what is this? Is vertical. We are bidding vertical on the V75. The V75 Silver Eagle. As you know, they are going for upwards of $1,000 graded. So these are going to be, the one that I receive is going to remain unopened in the box. So I will be sending it to the winner. Just as is. $850 for Shawshank Galakari. $850 vertical. And who do we have? Who do I have to beat right now? Vertical is Shawshank at $850. Vert is a whale, but Shawshank also has got he's got some skin in the game right here. Vertical. Vincent says, now I'm wondering if I should keep mine. Put it to you this way, guys. This is the only Silver Eagle that was ever minted with the privy. It's a proof. It's commemorating the end of World War II. And it's minted 2020, the year of COVID. I mean, there's a lot of significance with this particular coin. $850 for Shawshank. Gonna start counting it down. Unless Vertical has anything to say for it. I think you have to do a whale call, says Ninja. There's your whale call. That's for you, Shawshank. Counting it down 2. I'm out for real, says DOA at 850 to Shashank, counting it down 1. And typing in sold. Sold to Shashank Golakari. Congratulations on the win, good sir. Crazy, right? $850. I spent $88 on this coin. But this is, again, going for over 1,000, 1,100 on eBay. And so there's still profit to be made. So I did say on the auction that I wasn't going to open this box. However, my information is on this side of the box. And my packing slip is on the inside. So I need to get that out. Okay, so let's open this. And I'll be sending it in this box to the individual who won it. But let's take a look. Okay, it's going to go back in exactly like that. Look at that, the V75, end of World War II, 75th anniversary, American Eagle silver proof coin. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Here we go. Let's see. End of World War II, 75th anniversary, silver proof coin. Here's the specs. All right. West Point. Really, really cool. Only 75,000 of these minted. All right. Take a look. There it is. V75. I'm not going to mess with the capsule or the coin. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. There it is. Look at it. Look at it. Shiny, shiny. Let's get real close. What do you say? Let's get real close to this. Hopefully the recipient will get this as a 70. Look at that shine. Then we'll flip it over. You know what? I don't even want to... It's in there tight. Guys, I'm not going to mess with it. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to let the next owner who gets this do what they want with it. There's a lot of videos on YouTube, my friends, showing this coin. So feel free to check those out if you really have to see what the reverse looks like. I don't want to mess with this again. Somebody bought it on my auction, and so I'm going to send it just as is. I had to get into the box to get my payment information, and I got to keep my word the best that I possibly can. So that, my friends, is the silver proof Eagle coin. Now, was this worth getting? Got it back in there. I don't want to send it as like this. I'm going to actually put some tape there to send it to the next recipient. When there is a coin that is highly sought after like this, you have to gauge what your frustration level is going to be, how much time you want to spend sitting at the computer trying to get one of the coins. For me, I was traveling and I had about an hour and a half of time to kill. So I said, I'm going to try for it. And I went with this one because, again, I think there was only like 7,000, 7,500, I should say, of the gold. And I did not want to waste my time trying to go for something with less odds. So I went for the silver, and this was hard enough to get. But, spending $83 or $88, I forget what I spent, and then getting $850, I, was really happy with the results of this flip. I wish I had been able to get more of them, but it is what it is. So those of you that got this coin, comment down below and let us know, what are you doing? Are you going to keep it? Are you going to flip it? Are you going to send it out for grading and then decide? Let us know in the comments down below. And I just want to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Until next time, long live the Empire.